Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset a GoPro Hero 12. And to do this I would recommend to plug in the charger before doing anything to your GoPro, and you can find the slot for it right here. So plug the charger and we can begin the reset. To do this, swipe down from top of your screen, move to the next page and enter preferences. Right here, scroll all the way down and you'll find the reset button. Click on it. Then we can format SD card, reset all of the presets, reset camera tips, or factory reset entire device, and we're gonna go with this one. Confirm it with reset and it will begin to factory reset your camera. And a reset is basically finished in a few seconds and you can begin with the first setup. And for that I recommend to watch our first video on how to set up this camera. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.